Vitamin C is an essential vitamin, which needs to be provided by the diet or supplements as the body is unable to produce it. Yet, this micronutrient has many roles and has been linked to impressive health benefits. Vitamin C is water-soluble and was isolated in 1928, plays numerous critical roles in the body, including development and maintenance of connective tissues. Also, vitamin C is central to wound healing, maintenance of healthy gums and bone formation. However, vitamin C is stored in the body in very small amounts, and is sensitive to heat, light and air, and can be easily destroyed during cooking or storage. Besides, processed food virtually does not contain any vitamin C, and consequently, subclinical deficiency is very common, with devastating effects on health and wellness. Vitamin C supplements help optimizing daily intake of this essential nutrient.